All right, guys, it's that time of year. Fall is just around the corner. It's about to get cold out here. If you live in Florida, Texas, California, certain areas really down south where you don't have to worry about winter, good for you. But for most of us, we got to deal with leaves, ice cold, salt, snow. All this shit is coming up. So this is the time of year where I'm thinking about what I'm going to do as we move into fall, a new season. This is when I'm going to put a coating on the cars and really just kind of plan, general vehicle maintenance and just keeping the vehicles in the best shape possible moving forward. And also doing it in a way that will make winter prep easier. So basically, I have to worry about a 2022 Ford Edge, this Scion here, this Jeep I have. So the Jeep is kind of a project car. It's not a big deal. Probably not going to do much with that other than work on it. But for this car here, I might sell it. I might keep it. I'm still undecided. But either way, I'm going to put a coating on it for a durability test or just to test it out, see how I like it. I'm going to do that with the Ford Edge as well. I'm thinking of using the Organizer's clean ceramic coating spray product. I don't know the exact name of it, but I like that because no PFAS. It's supposed to be safer to handle, and with kids and everything, they touch everything, and just trying to avoid PFAS as much as possible, microplastics, all that crap. That's why in this business, in this work, whatever, it's good to wear gloves and just protect yourself, protect your skin. This stuff messes you up. It's good for cars, bad for you. Now, so the plan is basically this. I'm going to pick a coating and put the coating on. Not much to it, right? But as we move into a new season, my thing is deep clean, right? So I'm going to do a full detail on both cars. This one hasn't been used, not going to be hard. It's mainly the outside. The Ford Edge is a family car, but still it's not dirty. We don't eat in there. It's not filthy. So it's going to be pretty easy. I'm going to put coatings on stuff on the inside and out on the trim, wheels. I actually my little hack is I put turtle wax seal and shine on the wheels once they're fully clean. And then after that, they kind of rinse off easier. So they clean much easier after that. And I'm going to do that, especially moving forward into winter where it's hard to get everything clean. Having some sort of protection on there is ideal. So I'm going to do this as we go into fall, and near the end of fall, I'm going to do a winter prep. And I am going to record almost every step of that. Ideally, I'll record the whole thing. I'm still getting used to this whole recording thing, but I'll probably have a way I'll set up the camera in a way where I can kind of document the whole process on what I do for a winter prep. For fall, it's not that complicated. It's really just a full detail and wax or spray sealant or something. So that's the plan, because it's very important to take care of your car. Obviously, I have to check on it on the oil level, but it might be time for oil changes and then tire rotations, checking the coolant, all the basic, general maintenance stuff that you should be doing on your cars, all the time anyway. But it's especially important as you move into winter, right? As we get into colder times, check these things. Wiper blades, washer fluid, battery, coolant. These are things I check. Tires. I know the cars, nowadays they have a system where they tell you if your pressure's getting low in the tires, but I don't trust it. It's not always accurate. So I manually go out there and check anyway. But yeah, that's basically it. So as we go into fall, doing a deep clean, full detail, a coating on not just the paint, but on everything, right? Trim. I'll probably use Chemical Guy Silk Shine for the plastic trim. I'll do like 2 or 3 coats. I'll do that as a tire dressing. For the wheels themselves, once they're fully clean, turtle wax, ice, seal and shine. And for the paint, I am thinking to use the clean ceramic spray. I don't know about doing a full ceramic coating yet because I might go deeper on the paint correction to get it perfected more before I do something that's going to last 8 years. You know what I mean? 3 years, 8 years. I see he's got a bunch of different options. So I'm still undecided on that, but I'm going to do something, right? As you should do too. It doesn't have to be the best. Even if you just fully prep your car, fully detail it, and just put a spray wax around it and maintain it all you can. Going into winter, you want to do something. Most people don't do anything, and it shows, especially because you want to avoid them drive-through car washes. I mean, they get filthy, especially in the winter. So that's it. We're getting on fall. It's not my favorite time of year by any means. I mowed my grass yesterday, and most of what I was doing was just chopping up leaves. I chopped up so many leaves, man, I barely even had grass to cut. I'm like, shit, it's that time of year already. Not a fan of it. I'm from Florida, so this whole leaves thing, leaves everywhere, is new to me. I don't like it. I don't pick them up. I just mow them things, man. I just mow them. I just chop them down, and that's it. So now's the time. Start thinking about what you want to do as we move into this new season to keep your cars protected. And then if you do it now, it'll make winter prep easier, and winter prep is crucial for maintaining a vehicle, especially if you have a newer vehicle. You really want it to stay nice for a long time. So there it is. If you have any suggestions or any ideas, any thoughts on the matter, please leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.